Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anya, and for today's video I really want to show you how to make raspberry bars. These are so quick and easy to make, and they use frozen raspberries. So if you happen to have some frozen raspberries in your freezer and you don't know what to make with them, this is the recipe for you. It comes together really quickly, really easily. You just mix everything together, pop it in the oven, and you can have a delicious treat. These are perfect for school lunches or to pack in for work, or if you're going to a friend's house, you can whip these up and take a whole tray with you, and it will be an amazing treat to have. Please don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe, and onto the video.